Hi, I'm Diane at Williams Toyota Lift. Let's take a walk around this brand new Toyota pneumatic forklift, model number 8FGU32. Now this forklift is here, it is in stock, and it is ready for immediate delivery, so give us a call right away if you're interested. It has a base capacity of 6,000 pounds and it runs on LP. You'll see here that it has three-way hydraulics. Now this third function here is an open hydraulic, so you could use that for any sort of attachment you want, whether that's a side shifter or anything that you might need. And it also has that automatic tilt level button. Coming down here, you'll see that it has a very nice dash display as well as a cup holder. And back here we have that paper clip as well. Now coming up here to the mast, this is a three-stage mast with free lift. The max height on this is 187 inches. Now this will come with your choice of 42 or 48-inch standard tapered forks. These tires are black traction, solid pneumatic tires. And coming up here to the front, we have these ultra bright LED headlights. Coming inside the cabin, we have lots of great creature comforts, including those dual rear view mirrors, as well as this fully adjustable steering column and a fully adjustable full suspension seat. Now coming back here to the back, we have that yellow strobe, as well as a backup alarm. Now, as I mentioned, this forklift is here. It is in stock and it is ready for immediate delivery. So if you have any questions or you'd like to demo this truck or you're just ready to buy, give our sales team a call at 1-800-435-2449 or visit us on the web at williamstoyotalift.com, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can stay up to date on equipment that we have available, as well as other features that you need to know about.